the first mistake is not going through the UPSC syllabus. So what people generally do is they get enrolled into some coaching, be it online or offline. They go deep dive into these subjects, just start reading. They don't know what they're preparing for. So UPSC syllabus is a must. You have to be so thorough with the syllabus that if I ask you to write a 250-word answer on that, you must be able to do that very well. Okay? So each and every point in the UPSC syllabus, be it prelims or mains, you have to be thorough with it. Second is PYQs. So I would say UPSC syllabus and the PYQs, which is previous year questions, are the two most important guiding light in this preparation. That is something that will actually put you in the right path, right? So once you're done going through the syllabus, you need to pick up your previous year questions, take up for each subject. Okay, there are like subject-wise PYQs available in the market. You can take up any book, go through the PYQs, even before starting to read a book on that particular subject, I would say. When you do this, you will know what kind of questions are coming, what kind of topics are coming, so that you will be accustomed to that particular subject. When you're reading the reading the subject, you will know which chapter is more important, which topic is more important. These are the two things that you must do.